It's me, I'm back again, and today I've got an unboxing, I think from Latest in Beauty, but it's arrived in this bag. Normally it just turns up in the brown cardboard box, but it's a December one, and I think there's a really special sleeve on it. So let's get in. So, Latest in Beauty, you can subscribe to it every month, and you can choose between 3, 6 and 9 products, and you choose your own products. The price of the box is either £9, £15 or £18, depending if you've got 3, 6 or 9. But if you want to join this month in December, there is a code which I'll put across the bottom, and you can only get it for 6 or 9 products. And I think you get 6 products for, is it £5? Or you get £5 off, and it's £9. Let me find out. I'll be right back. I'm back. Right, you can get the 6 product box for £9. So it would normally cost you £15, but you can get it for £9. Plus you get some freebies thrown in as well. So it's really, really worth your while joining if that's what you want to do. I'll pop a link down below, plus the code. Head on over. So yeah, this month, this feels really heavy. I did struggle to choose my products this month actually. I don't normally. There were some things coming up that I was going to wait for, but then I thought I just want it picked before Christmas and everything. So once you've signed up, and when you've got like your rolling months, you get a notification each month when you can go and pick your products. You don't have to pick them on that day. You do have a month to choose your items. There's a new item that goes on the website every single day. Some things though will go more quickly than others, so it's a risky take if you hang on for something, because something else you might have wanted could sell out. So yeah, it's a bit of a waiting game. I decided just to pick my products within a couple of days of getting my notification, although there was a few things on there I wish I'd kind of waited for. But anyway, so this month it's come in a really fancy sleeve, so it does look very festive. Looks like a present, and you've got your Latest in Beauty in silver foiled lettering. Then inside is our more conventional cardboard box that we're all used to. So this is how it normally comes, with your address label on it. So here we go. It's not even been sealed down. So Latest in Beauty, we've got our card which says eat, sleep, pout, repeat, and it's either bright pink or sometimes you get this turquoisey colour inside. Got the navy tissues. Let's get in. I do know what's in here because I've chosen, but I can't remember. Can you see? It feels really heavy. So let's put it down and see what I have got. So first thing I've chosen is a hand cream by Super Duper, and it is in, it's got coconut water and cacao oil and fruit smoothie. It sounds all very posh. It looks like a full size item. It's 100 mils, and it's really thick. I've got the body lotion by this brand. I've just finished the shower cream. Oh, that smells really nice. It smells quite cucumbery, just really fresh. So yeah, that's my first item. Next item looks big. Oh yes, so this is some perfume. It is by Sarah Jessica Parker. It is lovely, and it is 10 mils. So well, that's a really nice little size to have in your handbag. I have had this before, and I did actually quite like the scent. Now that doesn't look full though, does it? It looks half full, so it'd be a nice little stocking filler, but I'm just going to keep it. Oh, look at that. I don't know if that's been, I think this has been leaking. Oh, it has, it's leaked. That's why it looks like I've got some missing. I'm gonna, because it's a roller ball, but it has leaked in transit. So what I'll do, I'm gonna give them a message and let them know and just see, and they might send me another one out. So I'll hold on to that. But yeah, you can see it's all wet in here as well. So what a shame. But it is a really, really nice perfume. It's really pleasant fragrance. So I'll just sit that up there and send them a little message later. Hiya, just a quick update. So I emailed Latest in Beauty straight after filming to let them know about the perfume leaking, and I got an email the following morning, so I got it this morning, to apologise and to say that one was being sent out immediately. So that is fantastic customer service, so thank you, Latest in Beauty. Next thing, let's think of perfume now. Next thing I've got, I thought these were lovely. This is by Bubble Tea, and a little miniature little bath bombs, like mini bath bombs just to stick in the bath, and I thought they were lovely. And the little bath fizzers, summer fruit tea, and it's a delicious summer fruit blend of ripe raspberries, strawberries and blackberries with a twist of white tea. I did get a large bath bomb in my Look Fantastic box. They had a limited edition one which I used, which I really liked, but I thought these were nice just to pop little tiny ones in, something a bit different. Next thing, oh, little freebie, I've got some chocolates, so everybody gets a box of these. Is there 3 in there? I think there's only 3 this year. I'm sure we got 4 in our box last year. Let me have a look. Yes, there are only 3 chocolates in there, so they have reduced the amount of chocolates we get. Maybe not such a bad thing looking at my waistline. Next thing is a lip seal, and it is in Bio Skincare, and it's vegan lip savior. I've just had in the Vegan Kind box something by this brand, and it was a face polish, and it was amazing. So yes, I've got this to try. And it's just a normal lip seal. It feels really, really nice. I've got some lipstick. Oh, yeah, that feels lovely. So I'll be interested just to see what that's like. Keep it in my pocket at work because I do like to use a lip salve on my lips. Next thing I've got. Now these are 2 items, but I just got one and the other, and it was some liquid blonde. I got the Gloss Infusion Shampoo and the Gloss Intensifying Conditioner, just to give my hair a little bit of sort of brightness over the Christmas season. 150 mils in each, but these are individual items. I think they've also got some either lilac or silver shampoo on the website at the moment, so if you wanted that, it's there as a choice. But I thought that was quite a nice little thing to use, and it's by the brand Provoke. Don't know anything about that brand, but I'll pop something up on the split screen so you can have a look. Next, now I've had this maybe last year, and I really, really liked it, and it's a Dr. Organic body polish. It's a pre-tan exfoliator, but I just use it as a body scrub, and it's really nice. I'm sure it's quite coconutty. All I can smell is that perfume. But it's quite grainy, which I like. There's a little bit there, and it's just, yeah, there's lots and lots. You can see all the little particles in there, and it just feels so nice. Oh, it's lovely, and it leaves your skin feeling really, really smooth. You never know, I might end up getting around to using, they've got, where is it? Dr. Organics. I'm trying to find, where it's there. Fake tan I've got there. So I should maybe use this first and then use that. Get my legs brown. Next thing is this is a lipstick. It's a satin lipstick, and it's by George, so they're Asda, I'm assuming, and it is in the shade Rare. No idea what this is like, but I thought just see what it's like and have a look. It looks like it could be a nudish type shade. Just try and get the seal. At least it's all sealed up. Oh god, everything stinks of that perfume so badly. Right then, get that off and get that off. So, ooh, that's nice. That's a nice, good, matches my jumper. But it feels quite like a satin shade. It's like a mauvey brownie nude. Definitely a colour that I would use, so I'm really happy to get that. Next thing is, oh, this must be an extra because I certainly didn't order this. It's a Perfume Reed Wonder Overnight Recovery Balm Treatment. Pretty sure I haven't ordered that. I'll need to count my products up, but I think that might be an extra. And then I think this is my last item. Oh, I didn't know they were sparkly. I thought I'd just try them. It's some of these hair ties, these kitsch hair ties. They're meant to just sort of not mark your hair and things. And I just thought, give them a go, because they're always on. I've never ever chosen them. And I just thought I'd see what they were like. Can I get into them? Let's see, let's get one out. I didn't realise though they were so sparkly, otherwise I'm not sure if I'd have got them. Oh, they feel really weird. Ugh, let's get him. Right, oh, so they're actually just like, they're just like elastic. This is odd. Let's have a look and see. You just do it around a couple of times. So yeah, there we go. And again, my iPad storage is full. I don't know what's going on because it says I have loads of storage on my iPad, and I delete my videos off as I do them. But yes, there is the hairband. Not sure how secure it feels, but it feels extremely comfortable. So I'll give them a go at work and let you know what they're like. And that's my box. So I think I've done really well. So I've got, let me count up and see if that other thing was a freebie. So I've got my hair ties, my lipsticks, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So yes, so I've got, that's my 9 products, and I got my chocolates for free, and I've got this hair treatment for free. So that's really, really good, I think. So yeah, make sure you go and check out the link down below with the code down below if you want to choose some products for yourself. As I say, you're going to get, how many? 6 products for £9, plus you get some freebies as well. So I just say, yeah, it's well worth it, even for stocking fillers. Offer yourself to give yourself a treat. Right, I'm going to skedaddle. See you all later, guys. Bye.